that right?
Yeah, cover your boobage.
Hello?
Hi, it's Cindy.
I think you got the wrong number.
No.
No?
Yeah.
Who is it?
This is Cindy.
David, I don't think you know me.
I do. Remember the party? Like a month ago?
I ain't been to any parties.
Are you sure? I think you were drunk.
I think I wasn't because I don't get drunk.
Well, you know what? You were there and you gave me your number.
Wow, I think you're smoking a lot of crack at that party because I don't know you.
Well, only off of a hooker's ass, but that's a different story now, buddy.